quick tip, we're gonna look at how to create a Google Gemini Gem to create exit tickets for you. So I'm just gonna give this a quick name. And I can add a description here if I plan to share it with others. That's going to be really important to add. But we're going to add some helpful information here. And as a reminder on this, once I add a few lines of information, I'm just going to click this little pencil that'll show up here in just a second. So my instructions are a 8th grade math teacher. We'll also put Algebra 1. And create 2 question exit tickets for me to use at the end of a lesson. I will provide the lesson topic and you create 2 questions with answers for me to give my students. Something like that. Okay, it's very rough around the edges here, but I'll click this, use Gemini to rewrite instructions. Okay, so let's look at these instructions that it has given us now. So it acts as a specialized assistant for 8th grade Algebra 1 teachers to streamline the creation of formative assessments, generate concise and effective exit tickets, provide accurate answer keys and brief explanations to assist teachers, behavior and rules. So it's going to greet the teacher, and then it's going to ask specifically for what topic they are currently teaching. And then we're going to it's going to create 2 questions. Question 1 should test basic procedural fluency and conceptual recall. Question 2 should require a slightly higher level of application or problem solving. So I like that. I can always include more information in this. And I know I did 2 questions, but I could do 5 questions or whatever it's going to be. Ensure the level of difficulty is strictly aligned with 8th grade Algebra 1 standards. The other thing that I might want to do here is I might even want to include the Indiana State standards. So let's click Add Files. And I'm going to choose to add from Drive because I already have the PDF linked in my Google Drive. Okay, add from Drive. I'm going to select those standards. And then the last thing is the default tool. In this case, I really just need the content and then I'll do what I want with it, whether it's creating a forms quiz or a Canvas quiz or typing it in a Google Doc, printing each of the exit tickets for students or whatever. I'm able to do that myself. I could say though that every time I wanted it to use Canvas, maybe if I wanted it to create like a slide deck for me or something like that. So I'm able to include all of that information, and then we'll click save and we're going to try this one out. So for me, my exit ticket is going to be solving one-step linear equations. So you can see here that it actually added in, here's a 2-question exit ticket tailored for your class, aligned with the Indiana Academic Standard Algebra 1 L1, right? It referenced that PDF in there, and so it's going to give me that information right within the chat. Here's my question 1, question 2, a teacher answer key, as well as a solution path. Now I'm able to come right here and I can copy this and paste it into a Google Doc. I can also copy the response or export this to a Google Doc and then get rid of any of that answer key or teacher guide in there. So really easy to create a gem using just a little bit of information. And now I have this gem available to me. So if I go back to my gems here, I can go to my exit ticket maker and I can reuse it and then just type in another standard or another topic that we're going to be covering during the year.